Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on integers, division. The rules for dividing integers are very straightforward and do not require a number line. In summary, if you have plus divided by plus, that gives you plus. Now plus means that's the same as positive, so if you have a positive integer and you divide it by a positive integer, the answer is a positive integer. Negative divided by negative equals positive. Positive divided by negative equals negative. And negative divided by positive equals negative. So if we summarise those little rules in words we have, whenever you have like signs with division, the answer is a plus. See here, plus and plus, they're like signs. Minus and minus, they're like signs. In each case, the answer is a plus. That's what this says. When you have unlike signs, that is when the signs are different, the answer is negative. So you have a plus and a minus, they are unlike. You have a minus and a plus, unlike. In each case, the answer is negative. So let's look at some straightforward examples. Plus 12 divided by plus 3 equals 4. The plus sign here is not needed. We know that it's plus 4. So when you don't see a sign, you know that it's positive. Now, that's the same as this one here. Okay, so number 1 is the same as that one. Plus 24 divided by minus 4 equals minus 6. That's the same as this one. That one there. Minus 30 divided by plus 6 equals minus 5. That's the same as this one here. And finally, minus 56 divided by minus 8 is plus 7. And that's the same as this one here. So those 4 examples there follow on from these little rules here. Let's look at the next slide where we might have some examples which are a little bit more challenging. So some more challenging examples. Now sometimes you can have division like this in the form of a fraction. See with that line there. So plus 72 over plus 6 means plus 72 divided by plus 6. And if you know your tables well, 6 12s are 72, so the answer is 12. So that's plus. Now you can also have 3 numbers or 3 integers. Because it's only division and division, just work from left to right. So here, this doesn't mean that the addition operation is taking place. It just gives you the sign, what type of sign it is for the actual integer. Plus 36, plus 2 and plus 6. That's all that means. These are the operations here. See that? Division. So working from left to right, 36 divided by 2, that gives you plus 18. Then we have plus 18 divided by plus 6, and the answer is 3. Because plus divided by plus gives you plus. Next example, 40 divided by plus 2 gives you plus 20. Then plus 20 divided by minus 10 gives you minus 2. Because plus divided by minus is minus. This one here. Plus 60 divided by minus 3 gives us minus 20. So minus 20 divided by minus 4 gives us plus 5. Minus divided by minus gives you plus. You can also have 4 integers in a straight line. Now because you have division as the only operation, just work from left to right. 48 divided by minus 2 is minus 24. Minus 24 divided by plus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by minus 4 is plus 1, because minus divided by minus is plus. The next example, again we have 4 integers. There are the operations here. So we work from left to right. Minus 96 divided by minus 2 is plus 48. Because minus divided by minus gives you a plus. Plus 48 divided by minus 3 is minus 16. because plus divided by minus is minus. And minus 16 divided by minus 4 gives you 4, because minus divided by minus is plus. And finally, this one here, 1000 divided by minus 10 is minus 100. Minus 100 divided by minus 10 is 10, because minus divided by minus is plus. And 10 divided by minus 10 is minus 1, because a plus divided by a minus is minus. So this video has introduced us to the operation of division with respect to integers, and we've seen some straightforward rules which guide us along the way. If we follow those rules, we will always have the correct sign.